I'd gamble that because the brain isn't integrated, both of these its can be slapped and compete with each other in a human brain, even though rationally they shouldn't. Because if streak then events change should only be solicited by sort of mostly independent events, should only be slapped by a series of independent events. And if streak then continue should be quiet. Whereas when the events are dependent, if streak then events change should be silent in a rational brain, and if streak then continues streak has, a little bit more reason to be talking. But the human brain is neither integrated nor rational. And so even if the knowledge in the brain exists that these are independent events, that knowledge is not necessarily going to pi, which means to reduce or inhibit, if streak then, if streak then continue. It's not necessarily going to pi that while hyping if streak then events change. We're talking about the knowledge yit that there is a streak, that's one yit, and another yit that the events are independent. So those two its can exist in the brain. I don't really know how to phrase knowledge its. I think it's just a reciprocal thing. So you would say or if I've observed that there's a streak, then there is a streak. Okay, that's one yit, and another yit is if these events are independently